Hello, crafty friends. I know it's been a long time since I've come in here, but I'm actually working on a project right now. But before I do that, I got some happy mail from Denise Abate Smith. I will have her channel in the link down below. So if you haven't followed her, she does some great projects. Just go ahead and click on her name and it will take you straight to her channel and you can subscribe. Show her some love. Hopefully, my camera is not causing too many problems. I don't know what's with it these days. But anyway, so let me show you what I got. So I did open the box just because I didn't want to show my address. But she put in some cute little crinkles in here. And let's see what we have here. Oh, I can already tell some beautiful little goodies. Let's see here. Sorry, let me blink that out. Okay. She sent me some of the K-Cups. She knows I love these. Oh, thank you. So this is for my birthday. A little belated. Okay. So she gave me Belgian chocolate truffle. Ooh, that sounds yummy. I love banana Foster flambe. And then the black cherry chocolate chunk. I haven't had this one yet, so I am fascinated to try that one. Look at this, what she sent me. Life is good. Remember to play. Love this. I've been thinking about getting these KS Craft flags. I don't know if this is actually that. I think she just did these herself. Super cute. Look at this. Hold on tight to your dreams. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. They look like almost like lemons. And it says, happy birthday. Oh, I love everything that you did to this. So beautiful. And I love this little, I don't even know what you want to call it, but it's cute. Thinking of you on this special day in a very warm and loving way. Thank you so much. And she left it where I could reuse it if I want to, but I won't do that. And then we have some candies. This one called cappuccino candy and strawberries and cream. Yum. Thank you so much. And then she sent me this cute, oh, there's more. We have orange and cream. I think another strawberries and cream. We have another orange. Oh, she sent lots of little goodies. Hold on, let me just, oh, yes. She sent me some more of the cappuccino candies. Love this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be going crazy on sugar. Thank you so much. Okay, isn't this beautiful? I love this paper. I don't know what she used, but that's super cute. And then the little 3D butterflies and the flowers and the little heart leaves. That's so cute. Happy birthday to you. I love how she did lots of layering in here. So pretty. And I always love this. I don't know what we're going to call it, but snow stuff. And then she sent me some cute little frames. Thank you so much. Those are beautiful. We have a little tag here. I'm just going to tuck it back in here so I don't lose it. So I can get it to its little rightful home. Oh, isn't this the cutest little bag? Oh my gosh, there's more on the back. Okay, hold on. Let me get into this in a minute. And then we have the super cute little bookmark because we know we love to read. We also have this is a so cute picnic. Oh, little cute bottle top. I love how she has a little Day of the Dead girl in there. And then we have this beware. I've never seen this before. Let me see this. Let's check it out. Something beware right into the sunset. Let's see. These are super cute. I love that. Oh, beaches, fun, Maeve. Beaches, beware. Good vibes happen on the tides. Venice Beach, Los Angeles, California, right into the sunset. That is so cute. And then these are like more little bookmarks is what I would call it. Super adorable. We have a little flower there. Thank you. So cute. And then what else do we have here? Actually, I'm just going to put this aside. It's too complicated to put it back in there with a tape. Okay, and then we have another little ticket here. And then she gave me a little cute envelope with some glasses. Look at how cute these are. Then we have a little purse. That's adorable. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. That is so cute, cute, cute. Let me put that over here with my stuff. Okay, I love this. So adorable. Love another little ticket with little hearts on here. Thank you so much, Denise. Everything is just beautiful. I will definitely be using this in one of my beach albums for sure. I meant to do one this summer and I just haven't had time. But I did sign up for a swap, so I'm about to show you what I created for the swap. Okay. There we go. Okay, super adorable. Okay, hold on. Are we still there? I'm hoping so. Looks like it. Let's just pray. Okay, so let me show you what I'm working on. Sorry, my desk is a mess because I've been working like crazy the last couple of days. Okay, so I'm doing a little, let's see, is this right? Let me move this out of the way and move this back so you guys can see the full effect here of what I'm doing. So this is basically just a shell. I've not finished it yet. This is a photo, this is Paper Phenomenon Photo Folios 2 Minis Style 2, which is the recipe folio. But you all are going to see what I have in store for this. But anyway, so this is about 9 inches. And the spine is about 2 inches, okay? So a 2-inch spine. This is just awesome. But anyway, so I signed up for a swap, and my swap partner is Leslie Pico, who is Mermaid Cove Studio. And this was through Coffee, Cake, and Crafting. This is a one-on-one swap. And Leslie and Tiffany, Leslie and me are swap partners. And so I asked her if it'd be okay to create a larger album, for a larger folio for her, because I really want her to be able to use this to hold larger photos, okay? And so anyway, she agreed to it. She's like, yeah, sure. So I'm going to get started on that. But this is going to be super cute. I hope y'all love it. If you are interested in this tutorial, I'll leave the link down below. It is you have to pay for this tutorial. Again, this is through Paper Phenomenon. It is Photo Folios 2 Mini Style 2 Recipe Folio. Okay, so anyway, I will get back with you all really soon. And Denise, thank you again so much for everything. I just love, love, love it. And girl, you know I'm going to be drinking some of this coffee tonight, even though I just drank some. I don't care. I'm drinking more. All right. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll be seeing you all in maybe just a couple of days with the album finished. I basically have it almost the base of it done. And so I hope you all are going to love it. Anyway, I will talk to you all soon, and see y'all later. Bye.